Today we are looking at Spatial Ops, the campaign edition for Vision Pro. Retails for $9.99. I'm really excited to try out a true shooter for the Vision Pro. Now, first thing we need are the PSVR 2 controllers. These have already been paired with my Vision Pro, so all you gotta do is turn them on. We can see we're connected to both, so let's give this a shot. It shows this nice mixed reality here. We got this platform that's sitting in my space here. I'm wondering if this is kind of my play area. Yeah, I kind of see this show up now as I walk through. So this is giving me guidance of kind of where to stay. Okay, it's nice. It kind of gives me some unlocks just to get started. So you can see we have like holsters at the hips here, stuff we can have at the chest, and then maybe behind the shoulders. Okay, we got that on the left. All right, we'll do the tutorial.
Welcome to our test.
Ooh, oh wow.
Take out a target.
This feels really good. It looks good.
Flick your gun downwards.
No latency. Aiming feels right.
Caller means you've taken too many hits. Don't worry, it's justice.
All right, I can go to the briefing, but I'm actually enjoying just shooting these things. Oh, we got an infinite ammo with this power up. I can kind of switch from hand to hand with one point of the grip. Now I feel like in some games when I bring my hand together, it kind of gives me that double grip. I'm not seeing that in this case. All right, let's get into it. Go to briefing. I'm a little bit off center here. So I'm gonna see if I can just like move this way and reset. Okay, that's nice. I can kind of move this anywhere. Look at the detail on that gun. I like how it's kind of cartoon graphics, but still really nice. Like these reflections. Even like the little serial number, maybe. I got a little HP, time remaining, some power-ups. Of course, we got double guns. I like how the animation on the hand is like quite close to what you'd really expect. All right, we're in. I can still see this mixed reality here, but I'm really focused here on this area. So it's nice to have that blend in case somebody walks in the room. Alright, flick to reload there. This reminds me of an old school game like Time Crisis or something at the arcade. But now we got the arcade at home. I love these slow-mo bullets. Oh, we get to dodge too? Oh, that is cool. Oop, missed that one. Oh, we get to like dodge under this thing too, or have cover. Oh, turning around, okay. I just noticed, like, look at this physics here. It's like the guns touch. That's cool. Oh, grab the med pack. This is honestly really fun. I think this might be my favorite shooting game in Vision Pro. I know there aren't too many, but this is just great. See how the gun goes against the wall there too? I noticed a couple times I accidentally didn't do that properly. Oh, they're above me. Oh my gosh. I was like, where did they come from? This reminds me a little bit of Pistol Whip for any of the old school VR gamers out there. Ooh, look at that. I love those power-ups. I'm taking health while I shoot. That's cool. Sometimes the aiming feels a little weird, but it's very possible that I just am not a good shot. It's not very forgiving, let's say. These like laser power-ups here, they feel strong, they feel good. On my left. I'm trying to lean over and see if I can see this guy. Not quite. Alright, I'm going to stop recording for now. I want to play through this some more and then give you my final thoughts. So, see you in a minute. Okay, 10 minutes later, I just finished the first mission. That was a lot of fun, really. I can see my balance is up to 1200. Let's see if we can do a little bit of upgrades before we play the next mission. Oh, we can see there's even more earnings we could have gotten here. Let's see. Maybe I have an option to upgrade before I start the mission. Oh, perfect. Okay. 1200. Let's definitely unlock this other holster area. Got to fill this with, how about a grenade? If I unlock the shotgun. Okay, now let's equip it to the left hand. I'm kind of left hand dominant. Alright, so now we got our shotgun and then the grenade. I don't know how to put it back into the holster, but it just shows up again. That's okay. The loading times are kind of long, I will say. Let's get the shotgun out, pistol.
All right, operative. You are on board and en route.
Oh, here we go. Nice.
Find the mainframe and extract the destination data. Hatchet Corp will do everything in its power to stop you. So
Oh, so we got our power up there. That timer's like a little high. I really have to like look up to see that. Reload. Pump the force dock. Oh, so now I need another. Uh-oh. Ooh, okay. The shotgun, that took a minute to get the hang of. So that's a two-handed weapon. I guess that makes sense. Let's see if we restart. Okay. Pump action. That makes sense. So I click the grip once, I'm on it. Click the grip again, I'm off it. So I could do a one hand, and then I need that other hand to reload. Alright, now we're in it. Shotgun's good for these flying drones. Ooh, how about a grenade? Ooh, that was weird. Alright, we're back to the shotgun. I like this thing.
careful.
I do want to figure this out, though. Let's see.
Left side.
That's a little iffy. I gotta get used to that. Getting a little shoulder workout, kind of holding my arms out like this. Alright, we just upgraded to a sniper rifle. Ooh, that's fun.
You see that?
It's a little pixelated looking through the scope, but that's kind of cool. Gotta close one eye to really see clearly. Let's get rid of this. There we go. Ooh, I just died again. So I'm on normal mode, by the way, and this game is pretty tough once you get up to these later missions. Looks like my garden is watering, if you can hear that. I'm going to go into my office and kind of share some final thoughts. Okay, so you've seen me play a few missions here for this first look at Spatial Ops, and I gotta say, this is a really fun game. Reminds me of like these old school arcades. I love how you can kind of like go back and forth, shooting around, but you still see your full space, so you don't feel like you're fully immersed in this VR, which is nice, especially if you have other people around the house, or pets, or walls you don't want to hit, for example. But overall, gameplay is really solid. The gunplay is solid. I love the power-ups. Couple of things I would say are slight negatives. Looking through the scope on the sniper rifle, it just feels a little pixelated, a little bit hard to kind of look down those sights properly. The shotgun does feel a little bit overpowered when playing in normal mode, but it's a lot of fun just to blast people away. There's 7 missions total. It took me probably 30 to 45 minutes to get kind of, midway through with mission 3 here. So I would imagine you're getting at least a couple hours of gameplay just for a first run. This seems like you have a lot of replayability to it, right? It's how you did for each mission. You can earn more jewels as you continue to play through. Overall, fantastic game. I really like this. I give it 5 stars and highly recommend for anybody that's got these PSVR 2 controllers. Puts them to great use. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and that's all for today.